Kanina po, bago tayo mag-break, may ipinakitang message sa akin, hindi ko alam, Brother JM, kung ito ay confirmed. Tinanggalan na daw po ng mga security team si Daisara Duterte. Kung ito po ay totoo, na may pagbabanta sa buhay ng ating pangalawang Pangulo, bagamat mayroon silang politikal na konflikto ng Pangulo ng bansa, hindi po mararapat na ilagay sa alang-alang at delikadong kalagayan ang buhay ng ating pangalawang Pangulo when all the security details under the office of the Vice President are recalled effectively tonight. Mga sundalo, pulis, pinagkukuhanan na. So, the Vice President right now, if this is true, I will qualify, needs to be protected by the people. More so, importantly, dahil kung totoo po ito ang natanggap na kumakalat ngayon at nagiging news blast sa social media, the Vice President and all her security team deployed under her office are effectively recalled tonight. Kung sino ang nagsagawa ng order, dalawa lang po yan. Kung yan po ay mga sundalo, the order must come, at least at the minimum, from the Department of National Defense Secretary. Kung yan ay police, it must come from the DILG, concurred or coursed through the PNP chief. Kung sa DND, concurred and coursed through the Chief of Staff. So, i-verify natin ito from other sources because this is so dangerous. And if the President who is now nagliliwaliw kasama ng kanyang asawa, nagdi-date at walang pakialam sa nagaganap na pagsiklab ng kaguluhang pangpolitika na highly financed and highly orchestrated ng kanyang pinsan na si Martin Romualdez, na siyang parang nagpapatakbo de facto ng gobyerno ng bansa. Pag sinabing de facto, hindi siya elected by law and by the people, kasi kung ang presidente na si Marcos ang tawag dyan de jure president by operation of law and by the power of law. Pero kung hindi ka elected pero nag-aakto kang presidente, de facto or impacto. Yun! Impacto!